you guys seeing this? This changes everything. Now that's a good looking phone. Your Z Fold 2 journey begins with unboxing. Unboxing always attracts a lot of attention. And for this year's redesign Unpacked, we dared to make it even more spectacular. We enlisted the help of our brand ambassadors to turn it into an exclusive event. Ladies and gentlemen, BTS.
안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다. BTS의 아래
슈가 지민입니다. Z 폴드 2입니다.
Z Fold 2.
오야야.
와우. Mystic Bronze.
좋네요.
이거 커졌나?
이걸로 게임하면 평소에 이런 식으로 쓰다가
우와.
너무 괜찮은데? 혁신입니다. 혁신이다. 네.
More to come. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's a hit with BTS. Every moment of the Z Fold 2 experience is special. Our designers thought of every last detail and didn't compromise on anything. Look at this. Yeah, this I plan to keep. You can already tell the Z Fold 2 is going to raise the standard as a game changer for the premium high-tech experiences. Let me show you. The Z Fold 2 comes in two colors, Mystic Black and what I have here, Mystic Bronze. Gorgeous, right? The haze effect and metal finish set the tone right away. Overall, the body is thinner, and we minimize the gap between the screens, making this ergonomic design fit comfortably in your pocket. I'm turning it on now. After we launched the first Galaxy Fold, users told us they used the front screen as much as the inner, wider screen. We listened and adapted. The new Z Fold 2 sports a wider 6.2-inch full-cover display with no compromises. So even when it's closed, you have a full smartphone experience. Open the device, and you can access an even more immersive viewing experience. We've maximized the screen with our whole-in display technology, bringing our Infinity O display to the Z Fold 2 across a beautiful 7.6 inches. Of course, the Z Fold 2 embodies our 120 Hz refresh rate technology and additional upgrades. We optimized the display layers, reinforced the entire structure to make the phone tougher in real-world environments. Now, let's take a look. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 has the most advanced flexible display ever, giving you an immersive theater, an epic game room, and a creative work studio, all in one, delivering an uninterrupted viewing experience. And whether you're working or playing games on the 5G network, the dual intelligent battery will last all day. Now, the display is only part of what makes the Fold experience possible. We completely re-engineered the hinge of the Z Fold 2 to improve resilience so you can use it with greater confidence in its durability.